Follow these steps to fix earpiece on iPhone not working. Let's get in. First, clean the earpiece. Dust and debris can accumulate in the earpiece, obstructing sound. Gently clean the earpiece using a soft bristled brush or a dry cotton swab to remove any particles. Next, restart your device. A simple restart can resolve minor software glitches. Press and hold the power button, then slide to power off. After the device shutdowns, turn it back on. Next, check audio settings. Ensure volume is turned off during a call by using the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone, or open your control center and increase the volume. Next up, call audio routing. Navigate to Settings, Accessibility, Touch. Head over to the option called Audio Routing and set it to Automatic. Next, Phone Noise Cancellation. For that, head back, navigate to the option Audio and Visual. Now disable for the option Phone Noise Cancellation. Next up, remove accessories. Cases or screen protectors can sometimes block the earpiece. Remove them to ensure they are not causing the obstruction. Next up, ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. To check that, you can head back, go to the main page of settings, navigate to the option General, click on Software Update, and update your iOS to its latest version. If the issue persists, resetting all settings might help. For that, head back, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset all settings, and go through the process. If none of these steps resolve the problem, it's possible there is a hardware issue with the earpiece. In that case, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service center. So these are the solutions to fix earpiece on iPhone not working. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.